Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today for our money series we are looking at top tips on how to save money. Now, an important way to remember this is the difference between needs and wants. So you need to be able to distinguish between needs and wants. Now, if you can distinguish between the two, you are on your way to saving a lot of money. So for needs, what is needs? Needs includes your regular things that you would need. For example, food, housing, medicine, hygiene, education, and utilities. These are things that you need to obviously pay for, and these are things that you'll need on a regular basis. Now, on the other side, you've got your wants. So you need to ask yourself, do you need these or do you want these? So, for example, movies, vacations, malls, restaurants, parties, and shopping. Now, this doesn't mean you cannot enjoy these things, but you need to make sure it's at a reasonable level. So if you are going over the top and you are being excessive, then you'll find it extremely challenging to save money. So these are essentially wants. So you may want to go to the movies, you may want to go on vacation, you may want to go to the shopping mall, you may want to go to a nice restaurant. Now, before you do that, you need to think to yourself, do you need to go there or do you want to go there? And you need to consider, do you have enough savings to actually do that? If not, then you need to reevaluate and think about your options. Now, it's all about balance. Of course, you can enjoy these things, but you need to stay within your budget. Everyone's budget is different. For some people, again, they could do it on a regular basis and still end up saving a large chunk of their income. For others, they could do it, once a month or even once a week, but that could eat into a significant chunk of their income, perhaps because their income is lower compared to others. So again, it's subjective, but you need to always think to yourself, do you need it and do you want it? So if you can think of it like this, this is a great way for you to save money and prepare for the long term ahead. So this is something so simple, but a lot of us completely forget. And for that reason, we struggle to sort of save our money. And for that reason, it's something for you to gain knowledge on and apply in your day-to-day life. I hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.